Hi, hello, namaskar, assalamu alaikum, sat sri akal. Today you are going to have some moment with none another than one and only Dimasam Singh on her channel Love Yourself. First of all, I want to wish you a very happy Independence Day. It is the 75th Independence anniversary of our country. Today is very special day for us, for we Indian. We must think that we are fortunate enough to be an Indian because we are living in a democratic country where all the caste, all the creeds, all the sects are getting equal opportunity to represent themselves. Today, what I think, what I was thinking is that what was the key point to win on that time. The only thing is, it was all unity. Unity is a key word, or you can say unity was a single reason to be an independent as we are now. We can't, on that time, there was not a single person who can able to think that they can be independent on that time because the Britishers were so intelligent, were so intellectual, so overconfident, who were ruling in our country. They were using the policy divide and rule. Luckily, they did not won, or they did not able to divide ourselves. That was the great achievement for us. Their divide and rule policy did not succeed in India. We unite our freedom fighter who were fighting on that time for freedom of our country. They were unite. Maybe their path was different, but destiny was same. Some were aggressive one and some were cold one. Like Mahatma Gandhi were so cold type person. They there were some people who were thinking to get freedom by non-violence like Mahatma Gandhi. But some of their where are there those who are thinking no, we must be violence, we must have to fight against them and then we can win. So that does not matter that violence works or non-violence. What I think is unity worked. They all were working hard. They all were devoted themselves for the country. So they reached their destiny. Now country is in our hand. Now we have to be unite. We have to be decide what we must to do for our country because it is very necessary for us to do something because as in this time we are remembering Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Lakshmi Bai. So we hope that some people in next coming generation may remember us. So we must have to do something for that. And lastly, I want to say I'm proud to be an Indian and again a very happy Independence Day from my side. And यूं ही नहीं कहा गया है, हम जान के दुश्मन को भी जान कहते हैं, हम जान के दुश्मन को भी जान कहते हैं, हम जिस देश में रहते हैं उस देश को हम हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं, हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।